tubes, how's it going? Got something totally different today. Got myself a Christmas present. Actually, this. It's a peak backup camera. And we're going to put it in this truck right here. And see how it goes, and we'll show you the progress here as we go along. Okay? Okay. Well, as with anything, it says it installs in just minutes. All the hardware for easy installation. And like most guys, I would tear into it and not read the instructions. But I've learned my lesson here and read these instructions completely before using this product. Not a bad idea, I don't think. I got to get my cheater glasses here to read this fine print. There we go. Okay, all the features, all the parts. Let's lay the parts out here. Clean off. Okay, let's see what we got to work with here. We have a tray that comes out of the box. That's nice. We'll just put that over here. There is the monitor. Okay. I do believe we will pull that off. There's the bracket for the license plate. There's the cord. I know this is going to have to come off here eventually, so we'll get that off. Two more items here. We've got a mount and some more wiring and some cable ties. Okay. Goodies, some goodies, and a suction cup mount. Okay. Okay. That'll hold it tight. I think we'll leave that right there. We don't want that to get dirty. Where's my Chevy shop manual? It's got to be around here someplace. Full-size trucks. Jones manual. Wiring diagram. Chassis electrical. Switches. Sensors. Let's find the index. Engine control system. We need chassis electrical. Exterior lighting. Here we go. Let's find ourselves a pen. Turn lamp. Right tail. Right license. Left license. Left tail stop. Right rear turn. Left rear turn. Where is backup light? Right, okay. Separate harness, on at all times, on runner start. Okay, here we go. Light green. You know what I might do? I might pull one of those. Tail lamp. Bulbs. Tail light. Bulb replacement. 17. License plate bulb. Tail stop. Okay, there we go. 2 screws. On all models, or in one housing, move screws. Okay, couple Phillips screws. That's all it takes. Now, let's see. That screw right there. And that screw right there. And that taillight on hooks. Unhook. Why is it hung up? Oh, there we go. Okay. Backup light. It's this one down here. Now I think what we're going to do, let's put this back up. That there. Put that there. It's not this one, yeah. It's that green wire right there. It's the one we're going to want to tap into, I do believe. Okay, we have the wire that we need. Okay, what do we use to hold our license plate on? Yeah, screws. Decent. Okay. Behind the license plate. Through the license plate, mounting plate, and washers. There are washers behind. Let's pull one of those out. See how that looks. Yeah, it's a pretty heavy. Wonder why they want you to put washers there. This way. It's got to go that way. You know what I think? I think I can skip the washers. Let's put it right on there. Well, let's see here. Let's bring it up. Okay. Now we have a wire. Comes out. Yeah. Okay. Let's start getting this untangled. And yeah, we'll just see where this goes, where they want us to put it. But I want to start with a straight wire, so let's get all the kinks out. There. Now what do they want us to do? Okay. Pretty straightforward. We just need to run our wire up behind here. Okay, we come up through right here, and tap into the one right there. Okay, and then we've got these. Now, they want us to use these funky little red connectors, which can be problematic at worst and a real pain at best. I'll use them, but I'm going to also go now. Let's do the second one. Power to green, ground to black. That's better. Okay, we got those clipped. Now, here is the secret to using these suckers. This should work. Take some silicone and just cover the whole shebang there. On that end. And get this end all gooped up. And you don't have to be real careful. It's not a visible spot. You just want to make sure that you're going to seal up the, keep any moisture from getting up in there. See? There. There we go. Scoop that up. Got it around there, got it around there. Okay. There. Now, what'll happen? That'll keep any moisture out of there. See, they work good when new, but as soon as you get a little corrosion or something in there, you're screwed. Basically, they turn to junk. Okay, now okay. Yeah. Good enough. Where do I want to put that? Wonder. Hi, Kibbles. How you doing, huh? Hi, kitty. Yeah. Be nice to put it right there. Yes, I love you too. Now go over there. Okay, ergonomically speaking, you know you're a pest. Yes, you are. Covers the entire tachometer. But really, unless I can... Will that even... No, that won't work. Get that. Well, I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to shut you down until I figure out where I want to put this thing. Okay, I've decided what I'm going to do. Skip the suction cup mount totally. And I am going to make a bracket that will mount this thing right up to the side of the console, right up in the head there. That should work just fine. Need a better light in here though. So let's see what we can do about that. There. Okay. Okay. Oh, take this. Yes, I love you too. Put that right about there. It'll be behind the sun visor. It'll be out of the way. It won't be in the rearview mirror. You won't have to worry about it. And I do believe I can power it from those map light circuit. Yeah, it's a good spot for you. Let's go one click. Nothing. Oh, I gotta hook my battery back up, that's why. That's why. I don't think so. You can hop down. Yes, you can. Oh yeah, they're going to be hot all the time. Power on and off switch. Okay, that'll work. Let's take a look at the wiring diagram and see what we can find. V, headlight system, interior lighting. Map lights. Orange, black is ground. You're grounding the lamp. Okay, that makes sense. Orange and black. Black, 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 black. Map lights. Orange, dark blue, white. Comes from the orange. So orange is power. Orange is always power. Orange is hot. But do we have a ground? That's the thing. I don't know if we have a ground up there. I don't have anything to ground to. Yeah, I should be able to ground that. Okay, we've got a steel bulkhead up in there that I'll be able to ground to. And I've got a power lead right here, which I'm pretty sure is 12 volt. And I can screw my bracket in on the side here. And the unit has power on and off, so I should be all set. It's going to be a little more complicated than just simply plugging it into my cigarette lighters, but that's okay. It's okay. There's Bibbly Boo coming up to say hi. Yeah. Okay. We got a mount for the backup
screen. It's actually, what I did was I screwed it right into the side of the console there. And I'm going to run the wire through into here and tap into the map light for the one power lead and ground out the ground on that metal bulkhead right there. And we should be good to go. But yeah, it's, let me back up a little bit here and show you how well this works. I mean, it's not, you know, yes, Pebbles, I love you too. Okay, there we go. Get the back door open. Okay, now you have a better idea. You can see that the, you're blocking my light, Pebbles. Oh, yeah, nice shot. Crazy kitty. You're a crazy kitty, yes. Leave my light alone. Okay? Yeah, so doesn't bother the sun visor. It's right in my line of sight. It's down below the rearview mirror. That could be shut. And quit moving my light around. So let's just get it powered up and see how it works here. So I ended up with a few extra parts. Didn't use the suction cup because I couldn't find a place on the windshield, and the got a cigarette lighter power cord here that I'm hardwired in. So if I want to power down the unit, the plug on the unit itself just pulls right out. A little round 12-volt plug. Power plug and a few nuts and bolts that I didn't use, so we are very happy here. Okay, gang, it's all in. It's powered up. You can see the blinking blue LED. Let's see here if I turn the key on and put it in reverse, and it powers up, and it shows shows the garage door right outside the what's in back of me. And it's the reverse light circuit that actually powers up the camera. Put it back off, and it shuts down. And back into wait mode. And thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and feel free to comment and click the little bell, and you'll get notified of my next thing that I do here. But yeah, real happy with how this turned out.